This car is allegedly the most popular luxury SUV in Nigeria today. It is 2008-2015 Lexus RX350. And to get a clean Tokumbo version of this car, it will cost you anywhere between 18 million naira and 27 million naira, depending on the year and the trim that you are getting. It comes in 3 packages: the basic package, the premium package, and the F Sport. Of the 3 of them, the F Sport is the most expensive. Today, I'm going to be telling you the true cost of owning a Lexus RX350 in Nigeria. So this particular Lexus RX350 is the pre-facelift version. That means the headlights cost 140,000 naira. While if you are getting headlights for the facelift version, it will cost you 280,000 naira. That means the facelift costs double of this one that we are seeing here. Now, if you are planning to upgrade this Lexus RX350, the entire upgrade kit that consists of the headlamps, the fog lights, the grille, all go for 800,000 naira. I want you to tell me, which one do you prefer, the pre-facelift or the facelifted version of this Lexus? The front bumper costs 300,000 naira for the facelift, but since this one is pre-facelift, this one costs 170,000 naira. This rear bumper costs 120,000 naira. Why you can see these rear lights, this one is the follow come, it costs 80,000 naira. But if you want the aftermarket lights, the one that have dots everywhere, it costs anywhere between 250,000 naira to 400,000 naira, depending on the rear lights that you are buying. Follow me, let's talk about the mirror. I want you to listen closely. The glass alone inside this mirror costs 60 to 80,000 naira for a pair, while this complete mirror costs 300,000 naira for a pair. Can you see this chrome? This chrome alone costs 30,000 naira. I want you to follow me. I want to show you what it looks like when you park your Lexus RX350 outside. Your mirror is gone. That's why this mirror is so expensive. So that explains why they are always stealing this mirror. This engine cover costs 30,000 naira, while this engine bay cover costs 120,000 naira. Inside this Lexus RX350, we have a 2GR engine that costs 1.3 million naira, and the transmission, very delicate transmission. Guess how much it costs? 3 million naira. Now, if you are servicing this engine, you have to use authentic oil and authentic transmission oil. Transmission oil has different prices. There's one of 15k per liter, and there's also the one of 50k per liter. Blows your mind, right? Now, for engine servicing, you need to buy authentic oil. Authentic what? Authentic oil. And that one goes for about 75,000 naira for 5 liters. The total package for the servicing will cost you anywhere between maybe 90 and 100k. So if you buy this car, you have to take delicate care of it. When I mean delicate, just like a baby, because it's a baby. The AC compressor for this car costs 100,000 naira for tokes, while the original brand new costs 330,000 naira only. The complete steering for this car costs 120,000 naira to 150,000 naira. This dashboard costs 600,000 naira. The steering rack for this car costs 170,000 naira only. So if something happens to your steering rack, 170k. Wink, wink.
If your RX350 gets boggled and they steal your window switch, it's 95k for a new one.
The shock absorber for this car costs anywhere between 90,000 naira and 210,000 naira for your very, very authentic one, while the brake pad costs 20 to 40k depending on quality also. So tell me in the comments, do you think the parts are expensive for such a luxurious car? Anyways, we got this car from Crystal Auto Services. Thanks for watching. Till next time.